Just like Boy Scouts, all we can do is be prepared. Oh. 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 38 minutes left, guys. How about it? Time for a battery swap. In about 2 minutes, eh? On your right. There we go. All right, so there we go. Few of the downhills now. Oh, now that's bumpy. So nice, guys. Oh. All right. Whew. One breather, guys. Woke it up a little bit. We can at least lean our bike here. There we go. Yeah. And a battery swap. Oh, I gotta take a pee. Guys, I gotta take a major pee. But it's okay. We're gonna wait it out. All right, battery swap. Almost forgot what I stopped to do. Piss or battery swap or what? Or to have a grape. Yeah, it's still recording, guys. 5%. So yeah, for the last 35 minutes or so, should be some downhills, I hope. And yeah, we're gonna try to not piss until we get in. So guys, hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now, over and out from the concrete jungle of Bloomington, Illinois.